Beautiful truck. Look at that. We were so busy recording the video, we completely forgot to plug the merch, so you can get these shirts with the link in bio. So make sure to check it out and help support the channel.
Gas. She's also probably cold as
No, dude, I don't see why it would be cold. I don't see why it would be cold.
Yo, you got a little window. Want to do a window delete?
Yeah, right now? Let's see it. Oh, did it just come out?
I don't know.
Can I kick it? Thanks, bro. Hold on. Oh. Fuck.
Dude, the difference is going to break before the window. Yeah.
All right.
Break the window with.
That didn't work. Dude, these windows are fucked. Oh, wait. It's loose. If we can just lift the window out. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Hell yeah. All right, you need these mirrors?
Nah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. I got glass in my face. Oh, yeah.
No, it got in my
No, it got in the coat. What? Yo, why is glass not breaking today? Oh, it's broken now.
This might be the last night.
Battery number 9 is officially cooked. 10. Battery number 10 is cooked. Dude, it wants to start. Look at this. Look at it go. Oh, come on. Oh, it wants to so badly.
Fucker.
And we can put the bomb in the engine. And theoretically, whether it's internal combustion or external combustion, as long as there's combustion, we're good.
Here, better. Home run!
Oh, that one? Yep, go ahead.
Damn.
Yeah, the back ones are hard.
Nice.
Do you have a sunroof?
No.
Can we make one? Jack, do you have a Sawzall?
Oh, there we go. Why the tool off?
You got a lighter?
We're not blowing.
Wait, call Matt and ask him if he has a lighter.
No, don't.
Right in the fuel tank, too. Oh, wait, pour some fuel in.
Yeah, I got you.
Perfect. All right, now start the truck.
If you make a spark doing that, you're fucked.
Wait, try to make a spark.
No.
No, it's not going to burn your truck down. It's just going to be a little fire. It's like a tiny bit of gasoline. I'm dead ass trying to make a spark. It'd be so cool.
Leads into the gas tank.
Dude, no. It won't. It doesn't. It doesn't.
Fumes, not the liquid.
No. I know. Shh. Tell him. He doesn't need to know that. Dude, listen. I won't let that happen, okay? How many slams can the tailgate take? That's working. I think. Is it working?
Oh, yeah. Take the bitch right off.
Just keep slamming it till it falls off. You know, the glass falling off of the fucking thing.
There we go. Almost there. Spark, you saw that?
I did. Do it over by the gas.
Whoa.
No, please. 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 Close to the gas. It won't fire. No, go all the way to the top. There's no gas. There's no oxygen gas. No, we broke the tool. We should have broke the windows with that. Wait, here, let me clean off your windshield with this. Real quick, let me just...
You leaving this here?
I hope not. It's cold.
Put some boiling hot water on it.
Oh, good idea.
We gotta keep it. 5 hours, so probably like a week.
Sit on it.
I get back this way. This is basic physics right here.
I like it.
Oh, bro, he's gonna fall right into that glass.
In the Crocs, by the way.
It's done.
Dude, it wants to start so badly. Some engine lights on. All right, let's see how to fix an engine light. You can see.
To fix it.
It's a really good engine light. What the fuck?
Oh, there you go.
Light's still working. Yeah, just grab the live wires.
Ow, so big. There you go. There you go, now it's off.
Perfect. Inside the truck. Dude, it wants to start so badly.
Radio? Oh, so. There we go. What? Haha!
Beautiful.
Gotta get that out. Yeah, there's some black ice on there.
There we go.
Now we have like nothing else using power.
Not even the engine's using power.
I don't like this dash. I gotta make it a normal second gen.
Wait, hold on. Oh, true. This might be the only second gen with a good dash. Part.
Oh, this is what the inside vents look like.
Oh, beautiful.
Out the window that's permanently open. See what the inside of a radio looks like. There we go, baby. So I'm actually gonna be putting in Apple CarPlay soon.
Oh, perfect.
So I actually needed this out.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
doing some upgrades.
I got you. Okay. Some upgrades to the truck. Beautiful.
Something like that. There we go.
Perfect.
This is exactly what I needed.
You're playing some baseball? Okay.
Oh, and we gotta get, that was only like 2 big hits. Ah! There. Windshield delete. Oh. Should have brought my welding helmet.
Everyone hit your safety squints. Dan. Oh yeah, hit it with your purse, Dan.
I'm not liable if you get glass in your eye. Holy shit.
Wait.
Nice one, nice one. You know, I was thinking of bringing my welding helmet.
Oh yeah. Do it. Do it, Jack. Move. Jack, move.
Watch out.
Ready? Yep.
Yo. Let go. Oh,
Cannonball.
cannonball.
Does anyone have a spark plug? Oh yeah.
I didn't need that anyway.
Oh yeah, snap the door off and use it.
Someone help me with this.
How many guys does it take to break a windshield? New tools are just spawning in. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't need it. Toss on the ground.
Tools are just flying at us. Hey, Danny has a pipe wrench in his hand.
That shit is like a field.
It's a good idea.
My shovel!
This is like the third tool we've broken tonight.
You want help?
No, he's got this.
I think I got glass in my foot.
Oh yeah, I thought you were wearing Crocs.
Blue collar.
Blue collar.
My balls are blue and my dick is red. I'm dressing like a dog.
Well, it's opened a little further out.
How many door slams can it take?
You good?
What was in your foot? Jesus.
Gotta love it.
Is your foot bleeding?
Probably.
Oh, whatever. It'll keep you warm, probably. They got it open.
Yeah.
How many door slams can it take? Here's my second gen Ram. Got beautiful doors, beautiful headliner. The windshield's mint.
Oh, wait.
Someone want to brace the door for him? Perfect. The other door panel's in the fucking windshield. This is
I don't think it's gonna run.
Oh my god!
Yo, Nick's got the method, bro. Look at this. He's going down. Wait. Wait, are you gonna fucking ram the car through that now?
I was planning on it, but I don't think that's possible. However, whoever wants to take this door out, all you gotta do is push on this. You got 2 times the leverage.
No, you can hit it with the car.
Hit it with the car.
Don't be a bitch.
Hit it with the car.
Don't be a bitch.
You have the push bar.
Everybody pussy, my pussy!
I didn't pull up. All right, good. He's gonna hit James.
Bro. You're gonna hit your... You already hit his headlight.
Here we go.
It's not gonna come off. You're good. Just keep doing that.
Oh my god.
Just rocking the whole truck.
$16,000. I know what I have.
Should we post this on Facebook?
$20,000 OBO.
Mint condition Ram.
$20,000. I know what I have. No low balls. Weight reduction. Windshield delete. Windows delete. Tailgate delete. Yeah.
Pretty much just truck delete. Can we just put a Dandy and shit compilation? Oh, they're gone.
Yo, there's an unopened white monster. Who wants it?
Give me. I love white monster.
And now it's open. Shaking it up extra.
You good?
What'd you just throw? The bolt cutters? Dude, you hit him in the fucking leg. He threw bolt cutters. Yep. You ripped a piece of the door.
The metal.
Oh my god. Dude, I didn't get that on video. Cause you... Let me see.
Let's see.
Yo, yeah, that seal's still good, bro. It's better than mine.
This is how to warm up your interior without heated seats. How do we put this out?
No, it'll be fine. It'll go out. It's a flare. See? It goes out. It's a little ember, I think. Yo, something I think burned in here. It smells like burning in here.
Oh, really?
I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
Wait, is it actually burning?
Dude, I think something burned in here.
Fire! Fire!
Yo, piss it out, piss it out. Like you do? Alright, so here's the only issue. Typically with the mortar, we run away.
We can just
Look at the ground.
we can lie on the ground.
We all need to shuffle away real quick. No one fall.
Oh boy. Fire detector!
Power, it's got power.
Plug the battery. We need what the fuck? What sensor's going off?
Thought I lost it.
Fire alarm!
Piss it out, piss it out. Where is the fire alarm?
It sounds like it's coming towards the front.
That was smoother than I thought.
Don't worry.
How are we putting this fire out?
It'll burn out. Yeah, we're just gonna. Lennon's gonna cut the water on the floor.
Yeah.
Not the ceiling. I just meant the seats. But all right.
Yep.
I want this to burn. 2, 1. What the fuck? Ayo. Oh fuck!
It'll go out. It'll go out. There it goes. I'll take it back.
Why is the roof not burning?
I hope it goes out. All right, dude. We got heated seats. New feature. Yo, the smoke alarm's going off.
We actually need to get this out.
Wait. No, it's not even on the fire.
How are we supposed to get it?
Grab it quick.
Grab it,
Grab
you
it
grab
quick.
it, motherfucker.
You threw it in there.
I'm recording. You told me.
I'm recording.
Where is it?
I love you, Lennon. It's on the seatbelt.
Oh, no. No, you got that?
Yo, wait, someone, Lennon, sit in there. Sit in there. Yo, you are close. He's got a lot of trust in that.
Did he put it in?
Yes, he did.
It's kind of like a guessing game with these cans when they blow up.
How do we put this out? Uh-oh.
Shit. The wind's gonna do it.
How do we put this out? Do we just let the interior burn?
Yeah, because you can get to the gas tank.
I don't think it can. Not in the interior.
Yeah, it can. Fire drips. Uh-oh, it's already dripping. All right, let's get snow on it.
Snow on it?
Fuck, there's no snow.
No, it's too far gone.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's literally...
It'll burn out. It'll burn out. Good thing we're nowhere near the trees. There's ice around it. The ice will melt and put itself out. Oh my god.
Well, we got...
Dude.
Oh.
Oh, whoa, careful. Dude, it's going back. Oh,
Yo, fuck.
yeah, I'm like sinking. Yeah. You think it'll start?
The truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll start.
Yeah, we got that.
Holy shit.
Definitely like Unfield on fire to burn that. I've done it like...
Yo, the whole thing's actually just gone.
Light like 5 tires on fire and then drag them with the truck.
Oh my god. Yo.
You burn the seats, the dash, everything. What did you light it with?
A flare gun?
In a mortar.
The tires are gone. The engine's gone.
Did you put anything in the fuel tank?
No.
So the gas in
Oh.
Another fire.
Anyone got marshmallows?
So?
Joe, close the door. Close the door.
No registration.
Oh, the door's stuck, guys.
Firefighter! Firefighter!
We're going for it, bro. Yeah. We got that.
Firefighter!
Now you're linked onto this. You see that under there?
Firefighter! Firefighter! Firefighter!
Bro, I got my small little dent in the video.
I know.
Triple
much-
K.
Triple K. That's our service company. You got AAA, we got Triple K. Dude, the steering wheel, the dash is all just completely gone. Hold on, I gotta get the full fucking walk around. Yo, the engine is still mint, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, dude. The engine is still salvageable for sure.
Oh yeah.
Damn, bro, I thought we were just gonna like light a firework and then start the truck up.
I know, I didn't really think that it was gonna burn down like this, but at least we did it on our own private property.
It looks like it's hot. I don't know if I like that.
Yeah, it did.
If it's hot, it wouldn't be gas. It would have burned.
Well, it's steaming.
Yeah, because the truck was just on fire. All the liquids are boiling.
Melted ice.
Right. All the liquids in the truck will be boiling because it was just on fire.